We have already done the present tense and the 4 forms of it, the past and the 4 forms, and now finally we are going to do the future tense that also has 4 forms. Okay, so the third type is future. The future tense. And this future tense has 4 different forms. And that's what we are going to do. Okay, the first type. The first type we have, the sentence I have here is, I shall love. It says, I shall love. And now the verb we are looking at is shall love. What is it? I shall love is the verb. Look at the verb shall love. And so we say that is a simple future tense. Shall love is simple future tense. So the first type is simple. Simple future. Simple future tense. That's the first step. I shall love. And the second we have is I shall be loving. The second type, the second form is I shall be. I shall be loving. I shall be loving. And look at the verb shall be loving. Shall be loving. And so this verb shall be loving, that's in the future. Shall be loving. Future continuous tense. So what the second type? The second type is, the second form or type whatever is, it will be future. Future and continuous. Continuous tense. Future continuous tense. And now, the third type, we did simple future tense, future continuous tense, and third is I shall have loved. The third sentence is I shall have loved. Shall have loved. Look at the verb shall have loved indicates that it is in the future and perfect. Future and perfect tense. It is future. Future perfect tense. Perfect tense. Okay. And finally, the last type, as kind says, I shall have been loving. I shall have been. I shall have been loving. When you talk about shall have been loving, the verb shall have been loving indicate that it is in the future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. I said the last type, the last main tense, that's the future tense. The future tense has 4 different forms. The first is simple future tense, shall love. Then you have future continuous tense, shall be loving. Then you have future perfect tense, shall have love. I shall have love. And finally, we have the last type, future perfect continuous tense. That is, shall have been loving. So the 4 terms are simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future continuous tense. That's are the 4 forms under the future tense.